Hello everybody and welcome back to Newegg TV. I'm Steve and today I'm going to do an overview on this IDE SATA 3 to USB 3.0 adapter from VANTEC. And I just wanted to show you guys a brief look at the front of the box and more importantly the stuff that's on the back. But obviously it supports SATA and IDE and that'd be great for 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch hard drives and SSDs. Of course you're getting up to 5 gigabit per second throughput with the USB 3.0, or up to that I should say. It makes it hot swappable since it is USB 3.0 to just be able to unplug it and plug it right back in again, depending on if you're swapping some information from one drive to another, or if maybe you're trying to do some work on a hard drive and maybe possibly save some of the information that's on there from a system that's not currently booting up, as well as giving you access to optical drives. So on the back I just wanted to mention a couple things. Specifically the model number of this particular one is CB-ISA200-U3. The interface, of course, being USB 3.0, but more importantly, the system requirements down here. You're looking at Microsoft Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 32, and 64-bit versions, Mac OS 10, that is 10.6 and greater, and for USB 3.0 speeds, you're going to need a system that supports USB 3.0. But let's go ahead and open up the box and take a closer look. All right, we're going to start out with the paperwork. We, of course, have an installation guide. Not much here if you're used to plugging in drives to systems, other than the fact that this is without a system, obviously, and you're just going to plug it in via the USB connection. Moving right along, we do have everything you'd need to provide power for it. One, the AC cable, as well as the AC adapter, and they do have a small power switch here, as well as an LED letting you know when power is being brought to the device you're plugging it into. 4-pin Molex on this side, and then they're also providing for you a 4-pin Molex to a SATA adapter cable here that basically just takes that 4-pin out to SATA, so if you have a SATA drive, it will definitely have connectivity. And speaking of that, you also have a SATA cable here for your data. The data cable itself is backwards compatible from SATA Rev 3 back down to 2 and of course 1. And moving on to the USB cable, they provide a USB 3.0 cable that's going to be a connector on this side as well as the one that's going to plug into your computer here. That's all going to plug into the back of the device itself. At this port right here. Now if I look at the top, this is the SATA connector. That's going to give you the data connection as well as an LED here letting you know when it's on and powered. Flip it over to this side to show you the 2.5 inch IDE connector. Flip it around to this side, 3.5 inch or 5 1/4, also parallel connector depending on if you're working with older systems. It's going to be really great. It's a nice tool to have in your tool book, if you're in your tool case I should say, when you're doing any kind of computer repair. Okay everybody, that's going to wrap up this overview of VANTEC's IDE/SATAIII 3 to USB 3.0 adapter. Now if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't already done so, click subscribe to any of our various YouTube channels, and we'll see you guys very soon.